Hi both, it's Kerry from Howard's Peugeot. I thought it might be even better to do a little video and a quick walk round of the car. So instead of sending you some pictures, you can see what it's like live. Wanted to get it in the sunshine so you can see that pearl white. Looks really good condition, so I'm just going to walk you around the outside and then we'll have a look at the inside of the car. This is the GT line model. So you've got some extra trimmings. Look at that paint, it's lovely. Let's take a look inside. Wow, this is spotless. Considering it's not been cleaned, whoever's had this has looked after it. So you've got colour reversing camera, you've got the aesthetic twin chrome effect tailpipes. Let's go into the boot. Of course the GT line styling. And then into the boot. Doesn't really look like it's been used very much. And then you've got a spare wheel. Important parts into the driver's seat. So here we go, so we can get a good shot of the interior. Sit you in. Wow, it's sunny today. So have a look at the mileage. Fuel level low, 10,513. So you've got the connectivity, sat nav, TomTom traffic's activated, auto, electronic handbrake. Let's just take you over to the seats. Really good condition. What a car, nice car.